So, Ness has been working with TiVO for 3 years and signed up for another 3 years. TiVO is the largest independent software and technology provider in the world and in 75 countries with revenues over 800 million. They're a classic digital disruptor who have to keep innovating away from their core digital video recorder to stop themselves being disrupted. They've got to create new products and licensable technology that enables people to find and enjoy TV, music, and movies that they love, right? It's a great story in an industry we can see changing in front of us. It touches business, technology, content, data, personalization, recommendation, and advertising versus subscription models. And of course, there's the competition from Amazon, Prime, and Fire, and Netflix, the telecoms giants getting involved, and the threats from Facebook and YouTube buying up sports rights. So it's a real pot boiler for us, and it's good fun to be involved in. Ness is TiVo's partner for their global expansion, digital transformation away from their US core and into Romania. We won them over with our expertise and process maturity in product engineering, globally distributed agile, DevOps, automated testing frameworks. 150 people in Romania. We've done some work for them in London and in India. We get them closer to their pursuit of opening up new countries in Europe because they've always been focused on the US. This is part of their digital future, getting into other countries. And they loved our three-pillar approach and expertise in data and attitude to innovation to help them increase their market reach. A couple of, 4 areas to focus on when we talk about what we've done for them. They're moving away from that DVR to a world of IPTV, which they call TV Anywhere. We've helped to provide customers more personalized on-demand viewing across media. And there's features we could talk about like commercial skip and transcoding video, cross-platform integration, and accessing on all kinds of devices. In the metadata area, we'll talk in a minute about the web crawler that we built for them, helping them as they become much more of a data company, as they skim real-time data from 10,000 websites to make their data better. We got that 3,000% better than the last one stat, very useful. Discovery is all about search and recommendation, making interface capable of talking and taking voice, which is the future as we go, and upgrading the classic electronic programming guide as that kind of fades away. And it's all about instant discovery for what I like and what you know about my behaviors. And that all comes from the analytics, enhanced tools measuring next generation media platform effectiveness and across their products. And of course, as we'll talk in a minute about their integration with Rovi, it's a critical element in their core product roadmap. The business challenge, the digital opportunity for them is Ness working alongside them as they transform from a hardware provider essentially to a software-enabled, data-led entertainment platform across many touch points, right? Increase the capabilities and the agility of their research team to work on their core product development roadmap. We've added our process maturity and engineering effectiveness as they continue to push into Europe. The digital transformation is all about end-to-end research, development across all of those geographies, and the roadmap is tapping into different localized markets in the UK, in Sweden, in Spain. Digital infrastructure architecture we've worked on with them and helped them, attract more customers in different languages. And we're collaborating now on their next generation TV Anywhere across channels. These are the key phrases to use. And metadata is the future for them, and of course many others in the industry. But it's all about providing that personalized search and recommendation. The Rovi acquisition requires a level of integration for us to help them with, to help growth opportunities, synergies, operational effectiveness. We've helped reimagine business processes. We've automated testing, but also data collection through better, improved content tagging and curation of content to help it achieve its scale. This is all the same material on one slide if you ever get to using that. Quick little bit on the web crawler that we did with them. That was a challenge that they set us. We took on and we're delighted to do so. Could we build a crawler using the internet as a database to update, information like program guides, episode lengths, actor profiles, and the like, where it's playing next? And it needed for that to be able for a non-technical admin person to point the crawler at a specific site and use machine learning algorithms to automate a process that just keep going and refreshing and targeting at a frequency you set until something changes when a notification is triggered for that non-technical person to repoint some other direction. The solution had to be extensible, easy to update, easy to maintain and easy to automate. So we did that in a month, and it's gone into production, and it's now part of the main product roadmap. TiVO themselves, looking at the way the world's changing, and with Rovi positioning themselves in a dynamic marketplace, content creation there on the left, upended by Netflix and Amazon in the space, and in between you see a representation of what we all observe in the way we stream, binge watch via catch up. We're losing touch with the live experience outside of sports and the EPG itself. Subscription services have grown, TV ad spend has slowed, and the audience has spread out into niches and communities, and we have every platform and screen size imaginable to consume on, as you see people watching TV on the subway, on the way to work and things. And recommendation and search is all about understanding behaviors, the tagging across those platforms and previous behaviors to suggest future behavior, and that's all about expertise in data to enhance the experience of content consumption. That's the way forward for TiVO. And just looking ahead, the future of TV, interesting space. On this image there, you've got this element of language, knowledge, trending, social, people building communities around their TV viewing habits, I guess, like the internet has given us. It's a connected TV world, and shortly, and it's happening, being driven by voice search, and choices everywhere, but you need relevant discovery quickly and seamlessly. Added to that, we've got lots of relevant credibility and experience in this area from our video distribution network platform built for Perform Media. And credibility extends to digital rights management and the expertise we're building around streaming music and its consumption with both Warner and Universal Music Group. Thank you.